I will be ending this vlog right now. So this room is my room. I'm daily now, and very shortly Rinpui and Grace will come, and we will be having we will go tomorrow morning at around 7 a.m. Flight to Aizawl. So this is all about from this place, and see, nice rooms, and see this nut I lost when I went to Kasoli. So some jugaad I have done here. Some washer I have put, and now it's working fine. And my trip to Aizawl has started. See, this is my bag. Planning for trip, charging ports, everything, laptop, hard disk, everything I'm planning. SD card port. I'm packing now, and hopefully packing will soon. Clothes I don't give a damn. I'm more interested in my riding gears and the luggage, my jacket. I'll be waiting. And I hope this trip is going to be a lovely, excellent trip, and where I'll enjoy. See you later. Bye bye. Good night. Sure. No need.
For who?
Me.
No need. I'm not going to drive fast. So this is
Outside, just outside that airport, and we are going home. Aizawl. And this is Rina, this is me, this is Grace ka mummy, and we are going to do party.
right now the weather is not that cold like in Aizawl.
Yeah, but in Aizawl it will be cold.
Yeah, Aizawl is a little bit chilly.
This place is called what? This place is called
Langkawi.
Langkawi, and we will go to Langkawi, from Langkawi to Aizawl, and
Yeah.
in between which areas will come?
First I think it's Punsong
Mm-hmm.
and no not Punsong, Sibui. After that Sibui it's Punsong, and next to Punsong it's Rangpamual, the place where booze is there.
And this right side is, we have to go right side. Na?
Yeah.
And left side will be to
Another village.
Silchar.
No,
Yeah.
the west side, but not that close. No, not Silchar side.
Oh.
Ilakhan lo misilong atong kan. Ikurtir nge khaltir. Boy thao review lo mo.
So it took 1.5 hours to reach from Langkawi Airport to Aizawl, and the journey was so fantastic, and the hills were there, a little bit clouds were also there, and the chill was started coming when we were entering Aizawl. This series will be in steps, and I will be uploading the video shortly.
Oh.
Politics का कुछ टाइम लैप्स मैंने शूट किए थे आइजोल में. जस्ट एंजॉय. This is Grace in her bedroom, and she is nowadays not listening to Papa. She is irritating Papa. How much enjoy she is doing? See, she wants to be a YouTuber, I think, a vlogger. See, her life has changed drastically. Great. She is in love with Papa. She is eating biscuits. She is eating biscuits very nicely. Now she is drinking, eating, sleeping on her own. So, this is amazing, darling. You have promoted from too much. See? Every action. This is me, Grace Papa, and this is Grace, and this is a balcony from where the mountains can be seen. Top of the mountain you can see from there, and this is Grace. My Grace really is too good. Papa and Grace are going to be together. I will be ending this vlog here. See you soon in next few vlogs on Aizawl, and I will stay in Aizawl. Thank you very much.